Click. EAS 004 Sithumini Rodrigo. Script number 1. Walisinghe Harischandra College. English announcing senior. Good morning. From the heart of the London, this is BBC News with the latest headlines from around the world. Let's dive into today's top stories. Iran launched a revenge mission. Now news in detail. Booms and air raid sirens sounded across Israel early Sunday after Iran launched hundreds of drones, ballistic missiles and cruise missiles in an unprecedented revenge mission that pushed the Middle East closer to a region-wide war. In Washington, President Joe Biden said U.S. forces helped Israel down nearly all the drones and missiles and pledged to convene allies to develop a unified response. The attack, less than 2 weeks after a suspected Israeli strike in Syria that killed 2 Iranian generals in an Iranian consular building, marked the first time Iran has launched a direct military assault on Israel, despite decades of enmity dating back to the country's 1979 Islamic Revolution. That's it for today. Goodbye and have a nice day. Live presenting. Greetings for all. You're all warmly welcome to the Rangiri Dambul International Cricket Stadium. Today is going to be a fantastic day for our cricket enthusiasts. You can witness massive strikes and tremendous wicket hittings throughout this day. Without further, this is the Australian tour of Sri Lanka first T20 match. As the first and foremost thing, I would like to invite Harischandra, the captain of Sri Lankan cricket team, and Mitchell Marsh, captain of Australian cricket team, for the toss. This is the time that you all have been waiting. So, cross your hands, let's try the luck of the two teams by the toss. Sri Lanka won the toss and elected to bat first. Program presenting. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting episode of The Cookout with a renowned culinary maestro. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as you embark on a journey of flavors, traditions, and culinary mastery. Stay tuned for an unforgettable gastronomic experience. So, gather your loved ones, pull up a chair, and prepare to be transported to a world where every meal is a celebration and every bite is an adventure. Join us as we unveil the mysteries of spice, unlock the secrets of flavor, and pay homage to the culinary traditions that have shaped generations. From fragrant rice dishes to the succulent seafood delicacies, his creations are a testament to his passion for excellence and his unwavering commitment to the culinary artistry. Without further ado, let the culinary journey begin with the one and only veteran chef Pabilis Silva. Please welcome onto the program.